before the processor even comes into the spotlight, the new Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro already grabs attention. Launched with the tagline, Next Generation Evolution, small yet powerful, this compact gaming tablet packs a 9.06-inch OLED display with a blazing fast 185Hz refresh rate, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 chipset, the same liquid cooling technology used in Red Magic's flagship gaming phone, and even direct Steam emulator support. On paper, both the hardware and the design look seriously impressive, and its promise of handling AAA games definitely raises expectations. But how does it actually perform in everyday use? And in an era where almost everyone already owns a smartphone, is there still a reason to buy a mini tablet?
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Let's start by checking out the design. At first glance, the front will feel familiar, especially if you've seen the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro. It features a 9.06-inch display surrounded by perfectly symmetrical bezels on all four sides, measuring just 4.9 millimeters, resulting in an impressive 90.1% screen-to-body ratio. Overall, its footprint is very close to the iPad mini, making it comfortable to hold with one hand. It's compact enough to slip into a small bag or even fit inside your shorts pocket. The biggest visual highlight is undoubtedly the magnetic liquid cooling window built into the rear camera area. The curved cooling channels are fully visible and enhanced with RGB lighting. Once the flowing coolant design combines with the icy blue lighting effects, the whole tablet gives off a futuristic cyberpunk vibe rather than looking like a traditional tablet. Red Magic has successfully merged liquid cooling with customizable RGB lighting, making the Gaming Tablet 5 Pro the first tablet in the industry to feature RGB liquid cooling illumination. Another design touch worth mentioning is the completely flat rear panel. Unlike many compact tablets that have a raised camera bump, the back of this device sits perfectly flat on a table, creating a cleaner overall appearance. Whether you're playing rhythm games or drawing on a desk, the tablet stays steady without rocking back and forth. The unibody metal frame, paired with smoothly curved 3D edges, gives the tablet a comfortable and premium feel in the hand. Weighing approximately 368 grams, it feels substantial without becoming uncomfortable during long gaming sessions. The large display also leaves enough room for your hands, so your fingers don't block too much of the screen, making gameplay more immersive. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro is equipped with two USB-C ports, one positioned on the bottom and another on the left side. This setup makes charging while gaming much more convenient, allowing you to connect the cable from whichever side gets in the way the least. It also means you can charge the tablet without removing an attached extendable controller. That said, there's one limitation. The bottom USB-C port isn't centered, which makes it incompatible with many standard USB-C extendable gamepads. Since the power button sits close to that port, installing those controllers can interfere with accessing the button. If you're planning to use an extendable controller, Red Magic's official Bluetooth version is the better option. For audio, the tablet includes dual speakers placed slightly above the sides when it's held horizontally. Even if your palms partially cover the speaker openings during gameplay, the sound quality and output remain largely unaffected. Both USB-C ports also support bypass charging, which is great for gaming because power can go directly to the system instead of continuously charging the battery, helping reduce heat buildup. Speaking of heat, cooling is one of the strongest features of the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro. The first major highlight is its pulsating liquid cooling engine. Red Magic has successfully adapted its smartphone liquid cooling technology for a tablet while adding 11 customizable RGB LEDs. Through the settings menu, you can personalize both the colors and lighting animations. Personally, I think the way the RGB lighting blends into the visible liquid cooling channel looks fantastic. The colors are vibrant, the brightness is excellent, and the overall effect feels premium. Even better, the micro pump responsible for the liquid cooling operates incredibly quietly. Under normal use, it's almost impossible to hear, and you'll only notice a faint sound if you place your ear right next to the cooling module. The tablet also incorporates Liquid Metal 3.0, a cooling solution commonly found in high-end gaming laptops. Its semi-liquid formula is non-corrosive, making it both effective and safe. Combined with a large VC vapor chamber, this advanced cooling system brings together liquid cooling, liquid metal, and VC heat dissipation into one complete thermal architecture. According to Red Magic, this combination greatly improves cooling efficiency and delivers a noticeable reduction in the processor's core temperature.
Last, but definitely not least, let's talk about the display. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro comes with a 9.06-inch OLED panel featuring a 2400 by 1504 resolution and advanced 10x luminescent display material. It delivers up to 1600 nits of peak brightness, 1100 nits of global peak brightness, and an impressive 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio. The result is a screen that produces brighter highlights, deeper blacks, and outstanding overall image quality. One of the biggest highlights is the ultra-fast 185 Hz refresh rate. I tested it with Crossfire Mobile, and whether it was aiming, controlling recoil, or tracking opponents, the gameplay felt noticeably smoother than on a 120 Hz display. While most popular games are still gradually adding native 185 Hz support, the tablet is fully compatible with 165 Hz, 144 Hz, and 120 Hz refresh rates, so everything works perfectly well right now. Touch performance is equally impressive. The tablet is equipped with the new Snapdragon 3930 touch chip, offering a native 300 Hz multi-finger touch sampling rate with an instant burst rate of up to 2000 Hz. Input latency is reduced to as little as 2 milliseconds, making every swipe, tap, and skill activation feel almost instantaneous. Now that we've covered the design and display, it's time to look at the performance. Powering the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 processor, manufactured using TSMC's third-generation 3nm process. It features two ultra-performance cores running at up to 4.6 GHz, alongside 6 performance cores clocked as high as 3.62 GHz. With hardware like this, mobile gaming is effortless. But Red Magic isn't stopping at mobile games. Just like its gaming smartphones, this tablet is also designed for AAA gaming. It supports PC emulators and even allows direct Steam connectivity. Simply press the signature red gaming button to enter GameSpace, open the PC emulator from the lower left corner, then access your Steam library. After signing into your Steam account, your entire game collection appears directly on the tablet. Even better, your save data is synchronized so you can continue exactly where you left off on your PC. During testing, The Witcher 3 running at 720p with the lowest graphics settings averaged around 20 frames per second. Grim Creed, at the same 720p low settings, delivered between 25 and 35 FPS, making it just about playable. Hades, thanks to its lower hardware demands, performed much smoother. Interestingly, initial power consumption stayed below 6 watts, which was actually lower than I expected. After installing GameSpot, however, power usage increased to around 9.5 watts and the frame rate nearly doubled, making gameplay significantly more enjoyable. Of course, higher performance also meant more heat, with the hottest point on the back near the liquid cooling channel reaching 49.6 degrees Celsius. Even with these improvements, the graphics quality and frame rates still can't fully match a dedicated gaming PC. That's simply because mobile devices are naturally limited by power consumption, cooling capacity, and chip size, creating an unavoidable performance gap. That said, experiencing PC games on a compact tablet with a 9-inch 185 Hz OLED is something special. Being able to jump into a few boss fights almost anywhere gives you a level of gaming freedom that's hard to find on other devices. It's a completely different experience. Battery life is backed by an 8300 mAh battery, and both USB-C ports support 80 watts fast charging. You can recharge the battery to around 50% in just 20 minutes.
As for pricing, the base version of the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro starts at 4,999 yuan in China, which is roughly £556 in the UK, or about $736 in the United States. So, let's return to the original question. If today's smartphones can already do almost everything, why would anyone need a mini tablet? The answer is actually pretty straightforward. Even the biggest smartphone can't offer a 9-inch display, and even the most powerful laptop isn't something you'd comfortably use for gaming on the subway. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro fills that gap perfectly. It offers a display that's far more enjoyable than a phone, remains much easier to carry than a full-sized tablet, and considerably more convenient than carrying a laptop. On top of that, thanks to PC emulator support and direct Steam connectivity, it's no longer just another Android gaming tablet, it's a genuinely portable cross-platform gaming machine. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!